Hi, it's Blake Tucker from Booze Freaks, also known as Dr. Inkwell. I don't want you to drink more, I want you to drink well. Today we're making another variation of an old fashioned. In this case, we're calling it the Mini Mickey. It's rye, cherry bitters, Angostura bitters, and ginger syrup. For this drink, use a nicer rye. I really love the Koval rye. There's a very sophisticated palate coming out of Koval, and it's a very smooth and delightful rye, so try this. For ginger syrup, we're doing a variation, finally, of simple syrup. So how do you make ginger syrup? As with simple syrup, you'll add 1 cup water, 1 cup sugar to a pan, bring to a boil, and then you want to add, I say for this quantity, about 2 inches of sliced ginger wheels. Just drop them in the boiling syrup and let it boil for 6 to 8 minutes. Then turn it off, let it cool, strain, and bottle. Voila, ginger syrup. So, let's make a Mini Mickey. First, you'll need some ice, 1/4 ounce of ginger syrup, 2 dashes of Angostura bitters, 2 dashes of cherry bitters. I like the way cherry plays with the rye in terms of spice. You could also try peach, but cherry is my preference. And 2 ounces of rye. Again, a fun spoon, stir, 15 to 20 seconds. For the garnish, in this case we're using a candied ginger wheel, but if you want a little fruit garnish, lemon is also a good idea, done the same way as an orange. Let's give it a taste. Spicy and interesting. That's delightful. Please subscribe to Booze Freaks on YouTube and follow me on Instagram. If you didn't know, I am the beverage director for Taste Catering, and during the COVID-19 crisis, we have partnered with Peninsula Food Runners and Meals on Wheels SF to create Hospitality Helps. We're making meals for hospitality workers who are affected by the crisis. Please check out Hospitality Helps and donate if you can help. Thanks for watching.